Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome to the shop part 3, part 9 of the top down shooter series. So, let's get started. So, today I have made some items in the shop, and let's see what I've made. Let's play. And here you can see when I go to shop, I have guns, 3 guns instead of one, and I have remastered the layout a bit. Like, I've made these buttons look more great, and these buttons are looking better now. Now this has a damage and speed. This has not been implemented, but you can just buy this using this, and this looks good. You can also buy these two, and these three work very easily with the same script we made. You have to make just a little bit of change. Then we have the backdrops. When you go to the backdrops, here we have three colors: pale pink, pale red, and red. You can just buy them, but you can also change this if you want. If you wanna put any design, you can just put that instead. For showing you, I have made this, and you can add your cost of these. For now, I've set your cost is 10, 100, and 1000. Your 10, 100, and 1000, the same. And in the mist, you can add more items like if you wanna make some costumes for the coin or anything you want. Haven't made them anything, but if you watch this tutorial, you will know how to do that. So let's get started with the coding. So first of all, what I have done in the shop is I have increased the number of clones, so I have made more clones here. And I've also made a list for backdrop spot. So here you can see first of all what I did for the making the scripts of the items in the guns menu shorter. So I have made this only a single line. Here you can see I have just added some made a block called gun, and here we have different items like clone number with an input, then item number with an input, price with an input, and gun number with an input. I have just put them inside of that. I have duplicated the script and put it here. Like here you can see which the script we made for the shop of the gun. So yeah, I've put the clone number. If clone number is equal to this thing, then we have the item number. I've put it here instead of item 2, item 1, and things. I have put this join to make that. Then we have the gun. Gun, I have instead of putting a gun 3, gun 2, and things, I have just directly put a gun and with the number. So we have to put only the number, not the gun itself, this text itself. Then I have added the price for the item price. Then I have changed here the gun 3 to this gun and space, gun space, and this genome. And then we have this gun selected to the gun number, and we have the same script. We haven't changed anything here. Then we have this backdrop. I've just duplicated this script and just make changes like I've put a menu to item 1 instead of item 1, and then I've put it the price. This is a different block like backdrop, then backdrop number, and the rest is the same. Then instead of gun spot, I have put a backdrop spot list. And yeah, I've put backdrop instead of gun space, backdrop space, and rest is same. Then I've instead of shop menu number 1, I have put here shop menu number 2. So it is in the second menu of the shop. Then I've put here backdrop space, backdrop number instead of gun space, gun number. Then I've made a variable called backdrop selected. Instead of gun selected, I have put it here backdrop number. Then instead of gun spot, I have put here backdrop spot. Then here you can see I have put them here. Like the gun, I have 3 guns. The item 1, item 2, item 3. These are the 3 guns I have made. The water gun we made in the tutorial. Then the slime gun and the spree gun. I have 3 backdrops. Clone number 10, 11, and 12. Then item 1, 2, 3. Price also I have put like here 10, 100,000, 10, 100,000. Backdrop number 2, 3, 4. As the default one is for both of these. The gun one we have this red one. Then the backdrop one is the white one. Like here you can see I have put here backdrops. Pale pink, pale red, and red. Here we have the white one. We have 4 here. We have 4 guns here. Then we have the mist, and also segregated these like menu number 1 and menu num 2, menu num 3 for the buttons, item 1, item 2, item 3 for the gun. Then I have put a menu to item 1, menu to item 2, and menu to item 3. Then for mist, I have made one costume, but I haven't put it yet. So this is new coin, and menu 3 item 1. You can just make the script for that. by just duplicating this and making another list and a variable. So that will help you. This was all I made. So here you can see I have 12 clones here. Clone number 12 is the last one. So here we have made here 11 and up here we have made 1. As in the tutorials I told you that we have to make this start from the 1. So this should be 11 plus 1 12, not here. You should not put here 12. So that will be glitchy if you put that like that. So here you can see when I play, we have easy smooth working shop. You can go to any menu using these 3 buttons. You can make your own designs. I have remastered these buttons from the shop tutorial part 2, and you can just do it yourself. And also I've made some scripts in the backdrop. Here you can see I have when I receive backdrop, this is the same script, but I've put a ABCD like the guns. Here you have key 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have a gun switcher with the gun selected variable. You have backdrop selected variable, and the resume is equal to 1 ABCD. I've just made some changes. I've removed this line like player ammo, set player ammo. I've removed that and only set your backdrop selected. Then we have here same scripts. So make sure you don't make any mistake in this or it will let the shop go down. And I've also made some things I want to show you here. You can see instead after this I have put a gun, delete all of backdrop spot, delete all of gun spot, add gun 1 to gun spot and backdrop 1 to backdrop spot. So we can switch to the first costume after we buy the next one, or we won't be able to do that if this doesn't exist. As the script says, if it contains in the list, then only it will be switched using the buttons. For shop part 3, I have made some changes. You can make your shop better, even better if you like. You can also make damage and speed changes as we have made something. So the next part of this tutorial will contain a different thing. I don't know what that will be, but the shop has ended here. You can add more things. I will add more things. And if you want a tutorial on how to do these things, what I did in this tutorial, you can just ask me in the comments and I will make it. So thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.